What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I want to talk about a project that was brought across my desk that I think is fairly interesting. As a utility project, not as something that just strives off of popularity, even though it does have a little bit of popularity in the growth that we are seeing within the position. Now, at the time of first seeing this, it was at a $90 million market cap, and now it has since risen to a higher level from when I wanted to mention it and talk about it. But the position that we're talking about is PinLink. This is a project again that definitely caught my interest because I like utility projects, things that have a reason to hold them. I do like meme coins as well, but I like utility projects a lot more because it holds a lot more weight. It's like if you wanted to explain to somebody, why are you investing into that? Well, these are the reasons why. If you explain to somebody why you're investing into a meme coin, it's a whole other situation where you're like, well, people say it's going to be popular and all that. This is not a people say type of thing. This is a take action and you see the results based on that action. So, guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. I'll provide all of the links for PinLink down there if you guys want to check out the website, the chart, you want to check out their Twitter account, whatever, right? I will provide all of those links down there in the description. But PinLink, the first real world asset tokenized DPIN marketplace. I like the way their website is really built up. Let me see if I can get away from this highlighter. I like the way their website is built up because as you scroll through it, you see the design of it and how, you can see it go through it. It's pretty cool. Real world asset tokenized DPIN model. The real world the RWA tokenized DPIN model drives down costs for AI developers. The first fractionalized liquidity layer for DPIN, fractionalized ownership of DPIN assets create more flexible revenue streams for DPIN asset owners. DPIN AI performance optimization suite applies machine learning tools to optimize the output of DPIN assets for AI developers. And as you go through this, you see what I'm talking about with the design. Like it literally goes through it. That's pretty cool. The way that they put that in there. DPIN Suite optimizes resource management for high performance computing and cloud storage. And see the different features that it offers, right? The key features: a real world asset tokenized DPIN marketplace. At the heart of PinLink's innovation lies our DPIN RWA tokenization model. The RWA tokenized model reduces costs for AI developers, create more flexibility or flexible monetization options for DPIN asset owners, and offers opportunities for individuals who do not own DPIN assets to earn a passive income stream. Fractionalized real world asset ERC 201155 representing DPIN asset ownership by selling fractions of their RWA ERC 1155. DPIN asset owners can unlock a capital needed to purchase new assets from which they can generate additional rental income, thus creating an asset accumulation flywheel. By purchasing fractions of RWA ERC 1155. Individuals who do not own DPIN assets gain access to a share of revenue from the assets. Service user rebate model. Sales of real world asset ERC 201155 generate upfront capital payments, which are invested in generative yield bearing assets. These activities create new revenue sources for PinLink ecosystem that are used to offer rebates to AI developers, lowering their cost burden. The tokenomics within it. You have Uniswap LP that is 80%, staking emissions is 10%, CEX reserve is 10% as well. The pin or the ticker is PIN. Supply is 100 million, so there's not like a ridiculous supply that's out there. Ethereum is the network. token standards ERC 20. So if we and also I guess we can understand the team. You have Tom, Alexander, Dexter, Will. You have different parts of the CEO. As a former VP engineer of E&J, which I did have a link for as well. Right, you have the former VP of engineering at E&J that brings experience leading technical strategy for a $4 billion blockchain business. We did see that this got to a level of like $4 billion. You can see right now it's at $646 million market cap. Obviously, through the bear market and into this bull market, we'll see things run as well. But to see somebody that's that valuable to a company that was at a $4 billion level is absolutely amazing. Here's her Twitter account, currently standing at about 8,000 followers right now. And here's the information that you really wanted to see, right? As an investor, you want to see where the position actually is. And currently, PinLink stands at a $143 million market cap with $1 million worth of volume. Ideally, I would like to see that volume go up, but over time, with more and more exchanges, more and more places to buy it, that's where you see that volume end up skyrocketing to a massive level. Over the last day, it is down slightly. But you are seeing this at $143 million market cap. So this is a project that honestly caught my attention just by, again, the use case and the different things that they're doing. But if you look at over the last 7 days of this project, again, this was brought to my attention when it was at a lower level. When you look at the last 7 days of this project, it's up by 31%. In the last month, it's up by 4,464%. So it's been able to move quite a bit and has been catching a lot of interesting traction with it and a lot of positivity with it, because people see not only just people are talking about it, but they see that this actually has utility and actually has validity behind it. So it's definitely something that I think you guys should take a look at. Again, I'll provide all the links to the chart. I'll provide the links to the website. I'll provide the links to the Twitter account so you guys can give it a look. But the self-circulating supply is around 80 million, total supply 100 million, meaning that these prices, we could see it at much, much higher prices than just $1 or $2, right? So anyways, even if you found a way to invest into this at a low level, you made a ton of money as of right now, and you still have a long ways to go. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Again, I'll provide all the links down below for PinLink if you guys are even remotely interested in it. But I definitely recommend that you research it, because if you research it and you believe into it, you're going to feel 1,000 times better about what you hold. So make sure you guys, do your own research and invest sparingly into all projects. But this is honestly something that is very, very interesting, and different ways to purchase it. If you guys wanted to purchase it, the easiest way, for me at least, would be through Uniswap. So anyways, guys, hit that like button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.